Afternoon, everyone. Here's another video of my Toyota 4Runner. As you can see in the dog barking. RCI Skidplate. You see the bolt that they mount up to. There. And there. See, nice. Sorry for the glare. You can see the underside's nice and clean. Edges look pretty clean. Everything tucked straight. There's that. Here's from the back. See the whole skid plate. Sorry, moving around, grunting. You see the back bolt, little washer, the black washer right there in the top. It goes so next will be the next skid plate that'll go on right here. It's a big gap right here, and that'll be the next one. But took about half an hour to install it. Here's the junk that comes off. As you can see, here's the front right here, and it's a little skid plate. It's pretty flimsy. It's got all these little brackets and crap, and here's the little, honestly think it's plastic. Anyway, old and busted. Lite.bar. New RCI. Awesome product, RCI. I recommend this. Let me know if you have any questions.